Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Yaqoob. I am a student of basic level at Paragon Academy, Badin. Today the topic of my presentations Malala speech in the Youth Parliament of UN. Their speech every day at the United Nations, but they are quickly forgotten. Today the UN Youth Assembly heard from Malala Yousafzai, a schoolgirl from Pakistan, whom Taliban tried to silence. This speech no one is likely to forget. She received standing ovations. Taliban tried to silence her. She received a bullet into her head but recovered miraculously. She said that Taliban tried to kill her ambition, dreams, and hope, but they failed to do so. And fear, weakness were killed, and hope, structure, and courage were born. She said, "We realize the importance of light. When we say darkness, likewise, we realize the importance of books, pen, when we say gun, education is a powerful weapon, and one teacher, one book, one pen, one student can change the world." Okay, thanks.